First at 6, concealed carry weapons will be allowed on Madison Metro buses.
Now that's after a 5-2 state Supreme Court ruling today. Velena Jones brings us the mixed reaction from passengers tonight.
If you ride the bus and have a concealed carry, you can now bring your firearm on the bus, and while pro-gun groups are happy about this, others have concern, including Madison Metro.
I don't think it's a bad thing because a lot of people should be able to carry their guns wherever they go.
While some say allowing concealed carry on mass transit improves safety,
I feel like it's going to be a little bit safer now with concealed carry allowed.
commuters say it could also threaten their security.
The only problem with a concealed carry is you don't know who is carrying. So there's always now a potential for someone to act out.
A decision by the Wisconsin Supreme Court overturns an appeals court ruling requiring Madison to allow commuters to carry concealed weapons despite city policy.
This is a civil rights issue. Most importantly, people live in high crime areas who rely exclusively on mass transit. If their day begins and ends with the ride on the bus, there was no way for them to exercise their right to concealed carry in Wisconsin, and that's why this is so important for so many people.
The ruling sides with Wisconsin Carry, a gun rights advocacy group. They challenged Metro Transit in 2014 after they prohibited a passenger with a concealed carry license from bringing a gun on a bus. The group called it unlawful under the state's concealed carry law passed in 2011. The city says Tuesday's ruling puts others in danger.
The more guns that are present, the more people get shot, die, and seriously injured. It's real simple.
The concerns that something bad is going to happen are really unfounded.
The city plans to ask the legislature to amend the latest ruling to continue to prohibit firearms and to investigate if it interferes with the city's property rights. Madison Metro Transit is currently working with the city attorney's office. In the meantime, they say they will comply with the law. On Madison's west side, I'm Velena Jones, WISC News 3.
Changes are expected to go in place in the coming days.
Madison Metro says once it's determined how to properly implement and comply with the law, they will inform customers.